Hello guys, and welcome to this video tutorial on Solidworks. And in this tutorial we'll be learning how to make this simple drawing and dimensioning it in Solidworks 2020. Well, this course is best for those of you who are just starting with Solidworks, who are just beginners, just starting to learn about the different commands and how to do things in SolidWorks. So it is best for you guys. In this video we'll be making this drawing. So open up your SolidWorks program, and the starting interface will be something like this. You can either click on part and start it right away, or you can simply press the Control N key or this icon at the top over here to start with a new project. Anyways, let's see. So what happened? Cool. So we'll be making this drawing for today's tutorial. So let's start with sketch. If you're in the features tab over here, just move on to sketch and press the sketch to create a new sketch. You will be able to see a number of planes in which you can work. So just click on the plane for now, and you'll see this red icon at the center. So this is basically the origin. So click on the control and the central mouse key to drag it towards the bottom left corner. Well, this is very important for us because this is the origin, 0, 0, and all the dimensions and lines that we'll be drawing will be in respect to this origin over here. So let's click on line icon over here, or just type in L in the keyboard to start with the line tool. Let's start our line with a point at the origin, and if you just pull it towards the right side to make a horizontal line, you'll be able to see that there is a yellow square box with a straight line, a straight horizontal line there. That basically signifies that this line that we are making or extending right now is horizontal. Similarly, if you make a vertical line, you can see a vertical line on the yellow icon box. If you make any other oblique lines, that icon will not appear. So anyways, for now we'll just make an outline of this shape over here that we have. We do not need to dimension it at the start, so just roughly make the shape. I'm just following the outline. You do not need to specify any dimensions, I think. So we'll just make the rough sketch. It'll be easier if you follow the guidelines, these dashed or dotted lines that appears once in a while. So yeah, so let's close this shape, and the shading will appear inside, which shows that this area is enclosed, or this polygon that we just made is a closed polygon. So press the escape button to get out of line tool. Now you can see that we just made an outline of the line. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, just use the mouse middle button, and if you want to pan in SolidWorks, press the control and the middle mouse button to pan your drawing. Sometimes you can just get distorted views. You might get this distorted views. So if you're lost and if you're not able to get back to the previous view, just click on this previous view or Control Shift Z to get back to the original view. Anyways, so I was telling you there are two different colors of the lines that you see over here. Some of them are black in color and some of them are blue in color. Well, the black lines are the defined lines whose positions are known, whereas the blue lines are the undefined lines whose positions or dimensions are yet to be fixed. You can simply see down here, this drawing is underdefined, and the target of our today's tutorial will be to make this fully defined drawing. So the main target is to convert all these blue lines into black lines at first and put in some dimensions to make a fully defined drawing. So let's start with dimensioning our drawing by clicking on Smart Dimensions over here. Let's start with the 250 over here first. So just click on the line, pull it towards the side, just click somewhere with sufficient space, and the dialog box will appear in which you'll have to enter the unit. So for you, you'll have to enter the length or height or whatever. So 250 is the required length. I click on yes, and yeah, 250 has been defined. Similarly, let's give in these and these dimensions. So I'll just use smart dimensions again, click on the line and pull it, what happened? Click on the line, pull it down, press somewhere towards the center and feed in the 100 units as required. Again, 80 is the length of this line, so 80 units. Similarly 150, okay. Similarly 150 for this line as well. 150, cool. And 100 for this line, so 100 full. Similarly 50 for this line, 50 enter. What else? Did I miss any dimensions? Well, this line is not given any length according to this drawing. Neither is this line. So what about this one? This is not exactly defined as well. So you can still see that this line and this line are still blue in color, which means they are not yet completely defined. This line is supposed to be horizontal, so let's make this line horizontal. Okay, so let's make this line and this line collinear, meaning in the same plane or on the same line, because this drawing clearly shows that they are in the same line. So first click on the blue line, then click Control key, keep pressing it, and click on the line with which you're going to give it a reference. So box will appear something like this. Sorry, it did not. Let's do it again. Click on the undefined line, the Control key, keep on pressing it, and click on the other line. This icon box will appear. Click on Make Linear to make it collinear. Let's do it once again for these lines and these lines. So click on the blue line over here because it is undefined. Click Control, click on this line, and let's make them collinear. Cool. Once again, this line and this line. Let's make them. Sorry. Click on this line, press the Control key, click on this line, and make them collinear. Cool. So I guess all these dimensions. Oh yeah, I was wondering why this line is still blue in color, because we have not entered this 50 over here. So smart dimensions, click on this line, drag it to the side. Let's enter 50. Great. Okay. So we'll be making these circles next. So the circle icon is at the top over here. Click on that. And let's make a circle roughly towards the center of this square, and another circle towards somewhere around here. You do not need to feed in the dimensions at the first, nor the positions of the center, so don't worry about it. And like how we did previously, let's go to smart dimensions. Let's give this circle a diameter of 60 units. So click on this and drag it to the side, enter 60. Similarly for this circle, let's click on boundary, drag it to the side, and well, this circle is 40 radius in length, so the diameter is definitely twice the radius, equals to 80. Cool. So the size of the circle has been fixed, but the location, the position of the center is yet to be fixed. So it's 75 from this corner and 75 from this corner. So let's go to smart dimensions again, press on this corner over here, press on the center of the circle, drag it to the top, and click pin 75. Cool. Similarly, this center, and drag it to the side, 75, enter. Cool. So the circle has been defined as far as, I think so, right? This is defined. Yeah. Anyways, now to define the other circle, you can see the circle, the boundary of the circle has been converted to black. So the circle has been defined. Similarly, let's do the same for this circle. Let's go to smart dimensions, click on this corner, click on the center of the circle, and feed in 115 according to the drawing over there. 115. And finally, the last dimension, this corner and center of the circle. Let's take it to the side and preview. Boom. Cool. I guess our circles have been defined. That is the completion of this drawing, because we can clearly see that the drawing is fully defined down there at the bottom. In some cases, when you give many dimensions, the drawing can sometimes become over-defined. So if you are over-defining your drawing, it basically means there are unnecessary dimensions in the drawing. So anyways, this is the completion of this drawing tutorial in Solidworks, and this was a very simple drawing, guys. And we got to learn about the line command, the circle command, about defining and undefining drawings, about smart dimensions from this tutorial. I hope this was useful for you guys, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. And do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel, guys, and do leave a comment down in the comment section if you want any other kinds of tutorials, or if you have any drawings that you want to make in SolidWorks and are unable to make them. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. By the way, to end this drawing, just click on this icon over here to complete it, and let's save this. Going to the Files tab over there and save it somewhere as SolidWorks 1, sorry, drawing 1. Let's save it. Cool. Once again, thank you for watching this video, guys, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Boom.